This is Keshav. I am a Python trainer here. We have our student. She got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Sir, I am SWATI VAGROLli and I got placed and I joined here from September 23 and I attended Keshav sir demo session and it's very helpful to me. And after that I attended manual batches for Gautam sir, and after that I attended the Pradeep sir and Niranjan sir. It is very helpful to me and teaching also very good. After that I attended SQL class for Murali sir, and it is very trainer also very good and excellent. It is also helpful me in interview also helpful to clear the interview. This is all about PySpiders.
Okay. How mocks and presentation helped you?
Mock and presentation also very helpful me, and it's clear to when interview is clearing time, it's very in confidence level also increase.
Okay. Which was the test?